Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Okay, so first I'll show you how you can transfer the data from your previous device into your tab. Then I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Google one. And as the last two methods, I'll show you how to restore the backup from Samsung Cloud and from external storage drive. Now, as you can see, we are doing the setup process, so let's begin. Let's click on next. First, I'll show you how to transfer the data from your old device. Now, click on agree, click on next. Now, we have the first thing that we are interested in. Now, we need to select the type of our previous device. In my case, it's Android, so I'll select the Android. And now I need to scan this QR code using my previous device. So I need to open up my camera app to scan this code. That's what I'm about to do right now. I need to scan it. Okay. It should be fine. And now click on continue. Okay, both devices are connecting to each other. Now I need to verify by typing my lock screen. You can see that the device is automatically connecting to the Wi-Fi. Also, on my previous device, I had to download Samsung Smart Switch app from the Play Store to perform that. Also, if you don't have it, if you follow the steps on the screen, you'll get a notification to download it on the middle of your previous device, so don't worry, you won't miss it. But of course, if you want, you can also manually download it from Play Store. Okay, now we need to wait. It's going to take a little bit, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, now we have a possibility to copy apps and data. We need to click on next, click on agree, click on allow, and now choose how you want to connect. In my case, I want to do this wirelessly, so I need to select it on both devices, and now I need to scan this code. Okay, connecting to transfer your data, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, you can see that a loading screen appeared, so we need to wait until it gets to 100%. And now select what you want to transfer. You can select everything, just calls, contacts and messages, or if you click on custom, you can manually select the things that you want to transfer. In my case, I only want the calls, so we'll select that. Okay, you can see that everything is being transferred, and in my case it's already done because I have only selected the calls. So I'm going to place my phone next to me because we won't be needing it anymore. And now we just need to simply go through the setup process. So if you want, you can select the screen lock right now. I'll skip it because we can always do it later in the settings. When it comes to the Google services, simply click on more, and click on accept. And now we have the backup services. They're really useful, so I always keep them enabled. I also recommend you to do it. I'll turn it on. Now we need to select our default browser and search engine. I always pick Google Chrome and Google as my search engine. It's my favorite preset. Now we need to wait a little. Now scroll down, and if you want, you can enable the Hey Google sentence to launch the digital assistant. It's up to you. I'll agree, because why not? Click on skip or agree. It gives access to our assistant without unlocking the device. I'll agree. Okay, getting the tab ready. We need to wait. And now we have possibility to log in into our Samsung account. If you don't have it, you can always click right in here that you don't have an account, and you can create it, or you can click on setup later in settings, just like me. Okay, now we need to agree to terms and conditions, or we can simply click on all, then click on agree, click on more and agree, select your display mode, light or dark. I'll stick to light, click on next. Okay, we are all set. Click on home. And now if you click on continue, you will have a list of recommended apps that you can download. In my case, I don't want to do it, so I'll just click on later, because I don't want any of those apps. Okay, and as you can see, we are ready to use our device. Our calls and contacts has been successfully transferred. Okay, that was the first method. Now I will show you how to restore the backup from Google One. Okay, and now the second method. To restore the backup from Google One, again we need to be during the setup process. And when we have possibility to begin the setup with another device, this time we need to click on that we want to do this manually. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So select the network that you want to use. And now type your password. That's what I'm about to do. Then click on connect and click on next. Okay, we need to wait a little bit. Okay, getting the tab ready, we need to wait a little. Okay, copy apps and data, click on next. Now we need to select that we cannot use other device, and now we will have possibility to log in into our Google account. That will be the most important part. Okay, and now we need to sign in into the same Google account on which we made the backup. Because if you log in into wrong account, simply you won't be able to select the backup that you want to restore. So now first type your mail. Okay, click on next, and now we need to type the password, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, then also click on next, click on agree. Get in account info. Okay, and now we can select the backup that we want to restore. In my case, I want that one, so I'll click on that. And now, when it comes to Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar and Drive, those things are synced automatically. But down below in here we have a list of things that we can select or unselect. So for example, in my case, I want to restore everything except the apps, so I will unselect them. Just like that. Okay. Now click on restore once you have selected everything that you want. And now we just need to simply go through the setup process. So, just like in the previous method, I'm about to skip the screen lock, at least for now. When it comes to Google services, scroll down and click on accept. When it comes to backup services, I always keep them enabled because they are really useful. Click on next. Select your browser. I'll pick Google Chrome and Google as my search engine. Click on set as default. In here we can get access into Google Assistant by simply saying hey Google. It's up to you, you can agree to that or not. Same thing with given access to our assistant without unlocking the device. I'll also agree. Okay, getting the tab ready, we need to wait. And now we have possibility to sign in into Samsung account. If you don't have it, click that you don't have it. You can create it right in here or set it up later in the settings, just like me. Okay, now click on that you agree to terms and conditions. Click on agree or simply click on all. Now click on agree once again. Select your display mode, light or dark. It's up to you. I'll stick to light one. Okay, click on home. And in here, if you want, you can click on continue. You'll have a list of recommended apps that you can download. I don't want any of those apps, so I'll just click on later. And now I'll click on yes to skip it. Okay, and now we are ready to use our device. That was the second method. Now I'll show you how you can restore the backup from the Samsung Cloud and external storage device. Okay, and now I will show you how to restore the backup from the Samsung Cloud, but let me only adjust the brightness a little. And now, open up your settings, log in into your Samsung account, then click on that, find Samsung Cloud, simply click on that, and now, oh, I have just updated it, I don't know what's going on, so let's wait a few seconds until it updates. I just did it, so I don't know why it has again appeared. Pretty weird thing, but that's what sometimes happens with the Samsung Cloud. So let's just wait until it's done. Okay, it has finally updated, so now we need to select restore data. Okay, right in here, and now select the backup that you would like to restore. In my case, I want that one. And now select the things that you would like to restore, then hit the button. Okay, in my case it won't take long, because I didn't back up many things, only the contacts and the call logs, and also the settings. So now we need to wait. Okay, and now click on done. And that's all. Our backup has been now successfully restored. And now the last option, restoring from external storage drive. Find accounts and backup in the settings also, and now scroll down, click on external storage transfer, click on more, click on continue, click on allow, and now in my case I need to plug my USB. It should appear. Okay, now I'll select restore from, in my case, USB storage. It needs to scan for the data. Okay, and now select what you would like to restore. In my case, I will select everything, then click on next. The process will start. So let's wait a little. Okay, organizing your transferred data. It should be done any second. We should see a notification. Okay, data transfer complete. Click on next, click on done, and now everything has been restored. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.